Hello and welcome to Environmental Science. I just want to go through some of our class expectations with you and welcome you. So I don't expect you to love science as much as I do, but we're going to get through this together and hopefully by the end maybe you will. But this is an initial credit lab science course and all of our standards comply with the state standards. The syllabus and pacing guide are found in the course introduction section of the course. And the welcome letter and pacing guide are also found in the course bulletin board. And I'll show you where that is in just a minute. 3 of my rules: be here, be prepared, and behave, or be nice to others. So I want you to be here, sign in every day, make sure that you're logging in, and be prepared, make sure that you're reading the messages that you get from me, follow the pacing guide, use the notes for the unit, and make sure that you are prepared for the unit tests. And in discussion posts, be nice to others, encourage one another, and be positive in your comments to each other. Each week you're going to see if you're on pace or off pace, so don't get the off pace message. Make sure that you stay on pace, and that's according to the pacing guide. Each week you're going to see that missing assignments are going to be counted as a 0 until you make up that work. Now, rules for the classroom. Hey, you can go to the bathroom whenever you want. You can set the temperature in your room or wherever you're doing this, wherever you want. Food and drink, keep that off the keyboards. Remember, when you go to the bathroom though, we're still practicing COVID-19 procedures. Wash your hands, that's good to do anyway. Don't touch your face. And extra credit, there isn't any extra credit in the course. So make sure you just do your work and you won't have to worry about it. My office hours, bottom left-hand side of your course page, on the main page right at the very top, you're going to see the office hours. That's the best time to contact me. The calendar. So on the right-hand side, you're going to see a calendar. You can click on that calendar and download it onto your phone. It'll give you all the due dates for all the different assignments. A little bit lower is the sign up for Remind, and that's just where I send blast text messages for anybody that's interested on getting reminders each week for those due dates. Coursework countdown. This is here to let you know that we have a limited time to get the work done in this course, and just make sure that you're following the pacing guide and you will complete everything within the countdown before the clock runs out. On the top right hand side of the course is a little gearbox. You click on that, you're going to see Open Grader. That's the best place to go and see my feedback to you for your discussion posts. The hamburger menu on the top left hand side of the course, you're going to open up that little side window. You can see the grades there. Click on that. That's the best place, I think, to go to see your grades. And then we've got also your quick access to different units and other courses. If you're taking other courses in the course, you can access right from that. Now, in the bottom underneath that countdown clock is our course bulletin board. Lots of good information here, including the welcome letter and pacing guide. Underneath the course bulletin board is the link to our live session. So that's not always open, but if you want me to open it, just let me know, send me a message, and I can open that up. So if you do see the link there, then that means that it is open and you're free to come in and see what's going on. We might have a tutorial session with some other students that are going on, so just be polite when you come in, and if you have a question, use the little icon to raise your hand and type in the chat box, and we'll get you squared away with whatever questions you might have. At the beginning of each unit, you're going to see a unit header, and then some information. You're also going to see the due dates for the lessons, and so those are shown with an arrow pointing down, so everything underneath that is due at that date. Well, thanks for being here. Let's have a great year, and be safe at home, and please let me know if you have any questions. Best way, send me a text, send me a message in the GeniusSys student dashboard, or send me an email. Thank you very much and have a great day.